The cancer plan is a very comprehensive plan. There are 3 levels of coverage. I'm going to discuss with you the benefits in level 3. You can look at the brochures for 1 and 2. The only difference that's going to be is not what is covered, it's the amount that Aflac will reimburse you. Levels 1 and 2 will be at a lower level benefits than level 3. Has a first occurrence benefit. Once you've been diagnosed for cancer, that's internal cancer, skin cancer is different and treated differently in the policy, you will get $5,000 in a lump sum. But every year that you have your plan in force and do not get cancer, that benefit will increase by $500. As an example, if you have your plan for 10 years and you get diagnosed with cancer, you get the additional $5,000 plus the additional $500 a year for the 10 years, so your benefit will now be $10,000. Every day you're hospitalized due to cancer, the plan will pay $300 per day. Every day you go for radiation and chemotherapy, the plan pays $300 each time you go for a treatment. Now you'll notice there are a bunch of other benefits in here, and I'm going to skim on a couple of them, but I'll let you read the brochure to see how comprehensive this plan actually is. You're covered for surgical benefits. Your surgical and anesthesia benefit is a maximum of $6,250 lifetime, and it's based on what the surgeon and the anesthesiologist actually charge. None of the reimbursements that you get from Aflac are reduced at all by payments from your insurance company or anything else. It doesn't matter who pays your bills, Aflac pays you the amounts that you are due regardless. All right. You'll notice that there's a transportation benefit in here. Aflac will pay 50 cents a mile for you to go back and forth in your own vehicle or have someone drive you, provided that the services you need are more than 50 miles from your home. Pays round trip 50 cents per mile. Or if your services that you need are 50 miles from your home and you need to take public transportation, let's say you need to go to the Mayo Clinic in Minnesota and you're going to take an airplane, Aflac will pay up to $1,500 actual cost round trip each time you need to go. Alright, so if your airfare is $900, round trip Aflac will reimburse you $900. Has a lodging benefit. If you're hospitalized more than 50 miles from your home, we're going to provide an additional $60 a day to help offset the cost of someone possibly staying with you, renting a room, having meal costs, so on and so forth. That's in addition to the $300 that you will get through your policy for your normal hospital stay. There's a wellness benefit in the plan. You can cover your family members, meaning your spouse and children. Each and every person is eligible each year to go for a cancer screening, and each person is eligible for a $75 reimbursement. Now Aflac, again, does not offset by the fact that your medical insurance may pay for that exam. The fact that you went for a cancer screening, or your spouse or your children, each one of you is eligible for $75. The plan is very, very comprehensive. It would take too long for me to explain everything to you. Please open up the brochure and take a look, read everything. If you have any questions, get in touch with us. But the Aflac Cancer Plan is a very, very good plan.